Found out that you bad for me. I found out that you had someone.
Alright. Hey family. I don't think I ever seen me in anything aside from like a t-shirt, jacket, or a hoodie. But you know, I got a little collar shirt on. I don't want y'all to think I'm going anywhere. I am absolutely not. It's 9 o'clock and 9 o'clock at night. The only place I went today was work. Y'all know I wear scrubs, so I'm not going anywhere. Today I will be doing, well, tonight, today, whenever you're watching, whatever time zone, whatever time of day, I will be doing a slick back ponytail. I'll just put in a short clip of how it looked the first time I did it on camera, and also how a few of mine have looked in the past. So yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all I was looking underneath here. Don't be surprised if it's not impressive, because I promise it's not. This was just a style to hold me a couple days from wash day until I figured out what I was gonna do with my hair, and now I figured it out. So I'm gonna take this out. I'm going to spray my hair with a little bit of water and take these flat twists out, because that's what they are. Hold on. Hold on, family. Y'all see this? Hold on. Let me maybe y'all don't see it right. Maybe it only look good in like the small camera. It's kind of surprising. Hold on, I'm about to take some pictures. Hold on. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see the pictures or videos or boomerangs on my story. You'll probably see this video like 3 weeks later, but you know, behind the scenes, and you ain't even know it. That was the one. This the one y'all gonna see. So hold on. And we're black. Okay. So usually I do my slick back ponytails on completely drenched hair, or I do it on hair that has been out of a style for a minute, so if I take some twist out. But at the same time, that makes the difference. So a lot of times I can just put my hair back into a ponytail. Y'all have probably seen it before. It's not like a slick ponytail, you feel me? The goal for today, slick/sleek ponytail, little to no frizzies or flyaways, and pattern like waves and stuff, and also a good ponytail for real, not like a droopy loose booty ponytail. Honestly, it is late. I don't know who's asleep right now and who's awake, so we're gonna see if I can use my blow dryer or not. We're gonna see what happens. All right, so first up, I section one part of my hair. Especially since I have a middle part, I definitely want to section my hair, because it's hard to just take all your hair straight back when you had a middle part. So yeah, I'm gonna section this. I'm going to spray my roots and everything with water. Alright, so ideally this hair is detangled. I don't want it to get too frizzy. However, I know it's going to happen if I want to detangle it. I'm just going to use my comb to go through it a little bit instead of my brush. So yeah. Okay, not okay. Okay. Alright, now that we have water and we detangled a little bit, I'm gonna put a little bit of product in it, not too much, and then gel. So I'm just gonna be using this. I know. I feel like this is a product that people start off with and then they find other stuff and then eventually come back to, but then leave it again. Because that's literally what I've done. You know, yeah, I mean, I'm back to using it for right now. We'll see how long it lasts with my hair. So yeah, I'm just smoothing it through. For right now, because it's only the back, I'm going to do it a little bit different when I get to like the top portion. I'm going to be using 2 gels combined. I'm going to show you both of them, but I already have a little bit combined in here. I'm going to be using both of these, if it focuses, but more of the Don't Shrink gel and less of this one, because it has a stronger hold. But I'm also using the curling cream because it's going to add some curls. So yeah, I'm trying to apply that all the way around the part that's supposed to be laying flat on my scalp for real. After I have the product in there, I'm going to take my comb. I always say this in all of my videos whenever I do a style. Detangled hair is the best hair to do a style. But for this style specifically, it's going to make sure that there's no bumps and lumps in your hair, especially when you're trying to have a slick ponytail. Because my hair is already detangled, I am going to start from the root. However, I'm not going to go all the way down to the ends. I'm just going to go to where the ponytail is going to end, so that would be like right here. So I'm just going to go from here. And then for right now, I'm going to put this section in a little ponytail. Now I'm going to work on the next section. Oh, y'all going crazy on that. Okay, before I do the next section, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil to the last section while it's still ponytail going in there for real. Alright, so some people do their sections in multiple parts, like they have 3 sections or 4 sections and they split those sections down in the middle and then slick it all back. That is a lot of work in my opinion. However, do what works best for you. For the sake of that comment, I'm going to do these in 2 sections. So now that we're past the back part, I'm gonna just, hold on. You know what? Let me show y'all on this side. I'm gonna just do it right now. I'm gonna do everything that I told y'all earlier. Okay, family, I had to do some things, but we back. So right now, this is how everything is looking. Honestly, I hope it's good. I can't really see. Y'all see? That's why I don't like separating. But we're gonna cover that up, you feel me? All this gonna come together, I promise. Okay, so I don't know. I kinda got distracted. So I'm just gonna voice over for a little bit and then come back to the video. So basically, long story short, I added all the products to the front section. Then I was trying to take out the scrunchie and it got stuck. I tried to put all the hair backwards and then realized that I did not detangle. So I used my comb. However, I don't. That one section was really tangled. I have no idea why or what happened. So you can see me struggling. Ended up using my fingers for a lot of it, and yeah, stuck. But eventually, I got it detangled. I went back to using the comb and brush after I sprayed some water on it, and yeah, make sure I pushed everything backwards and began to try to slick it with the gel and put it all in the right direction. And just start to mold everything. Before I even get to the brush, I want to make sure everything is going to the right direction. Up in the back, up on the sides, and back and down for everywhere else. See, y'all ain't believe me, but we're almost there. You can see it better now. Now, I'm gonna use this brush to detangle a little bit more and just make sure everything is going straight back. So, and if you see any humps in your hair, you definitely want to focus on that spot. So like right here is a little bit of a hump. Don't forget the back. Everything is kind of straight back right now. Not as many lumps. Everything's together. That's because of the gel and the brush. I haven't even used either of these brushes. So now I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of gel. I'm gonna put it towards the back portion. Alright, so now, depending on how your hair looks, your hair type, and basically how your night is going, because you may not have detangled, and that's okay. We're going to fix it. So you want to take a brush. I would recommend, ooh, that's dirty. Ew. I'm going to take a brush. I'm using the hard side of my brush, but I'm not going to be using it the entire time. So if you feel like your hair can do better with the soft side, please do that. But I'm going to start with the hard side. Yeah, I think my camera had died, but basically all I did was brush my hair off camera backwards in the right direction. It is now 11:15, so the blow dryer is out the question. So anything that happens after this, we're just going to see what happens. And this is how it looks from the side. And if you need to switch back and forth, if the bump isn't coming out, go back to detangling. Or it may just be your hair shape in my case, but alright, we're so close, family, so close. But to top everything off, I'm gonna add a little bit of edge booster. Really only a tiny bit. I'm just gonna go straight back to slick down all these flyaways. Ponytail not even in right now. Alright, so everything's pretty much slick, so I'm just gonna take my soft brush. Now that I'm finished with my soft brush, I'm gonna take a scrunchie that I don't want to use for my ponytail. I usually like set my ponytails with a scrunchie I don't want to use and then put a different scrunchie around it after it's a little bit dry. gonna do it kind of tight. So I did this one. I wrap it around 4 times. Before I put a do-rag on or a scarf or anything, just gonna go ahead and take care of my hairline. However you want to do it. If you got like a shape up, that's cool. If you got like edges and stuff, that's cool. I kind of got like a combination of both, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna just go ahead and play around with how I look for a second. And now I'm going to put a do-rag on, use a scarf. You use a dome cap. I would recommend a do-rag or a scarf because a dome cap can easily slip. So for the next, I'll say like 10 or 15 minutes, I'm gonna have this on. Alright, so since it is a ponytail, I'm gonna try to show y'all how I usually tie it. I'm gonna wait like 10 to 15 minutes, so I'll see you then. Oh, hello. You're back. Alright, actually do not know how long it's been, but I'm gonna take this off. Wave check. Wave check. Alright. It would be embarrassing if there's nothing there. Alright, so this is how it's looking. Before I show y'all, I'm gonna switch out the scrunchies. I'm gonna be careful not to disrupt everything up here. So alright, let's check again, family. I still saw a little bit like frizzing up in the back, so I'm gonna take a little bit more of this edge booster. Clean myself up a little bit. You know what, family? I can take pictures later. So my camera's about to die. I want to show you all the finished look. So this is how the front looks basically. Side. And if you want to, I mean, it's really up to you for real. If you want to take some hair and wrap it around the scrunchie. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You heard that? Just the back. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Check the first link in my description. It has all my social media. It has some things about Black Lives Matter, do the right thing, and black businesses you should support. So definitely check that out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe if you would like to. Other than that, have a great rest of your day or night. I don't know.